Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing complex numbers using the determinants. So let's go to the first question. So here on the first question, you've got a 2 by 2 matrix. So this is how you're going to solve the 2 by 2 matrix. You know that first thing you have to multiply this by this, then you will get 1 minus, sometimes they say j or I, it's an imaginary, then you multiply it with I, then you say minus. So always with the 2 by 2 matrix, whenever you go to this direction, it's a minus. This minus, it's for that direction. So normally if you put your signs, you're gonna have a plus, plus, minus here, then a plus here, minus there. So you see when you go to that direction, it's minus. Okay, then now you multiply this times this, then you're gonna have 1 plus I times 2 plus 3i. Then now please note that I is equals to a square root of minus 1. You'll see this on the formula sheet. So if you have got I squared, it will be equals to a minus 1, because if you introduce a squared on both sides, you will have a minus 1. A square root and a 2 will cancel. So you have that. Okay, so let's expand this equation. So if you expand that equation, you're gonna have I, so you're gonna remove the brackets here. You multiply this by this, then this by this, and then you're gonna have I minus I squared. So you removed the brackets. Okay, minus now let's multiply the first bracket to the second bracket. So you're gonna multiply this by this, then that by that. So you'll have a 2 is the first term, you'll have a 2, then 1 times 3i, you'll have 3i, then plus, you go to the second term, this one times this, then times that. So you'll have a plus 2i, then this times this, you'll have a plus 3i squared, 3i squared. Okay, and the next step is to group the like terms. So before you can group the like terms, let's expand this bracket. So we're gonna remove the brackets and add the like terms. So you add this, that 2 doesn't have any like term, so let's just write my minus 2. Then you've got this and this. Okay, you'll have, let's just leave the minus outside the bracket. So you'll have a plus 5i and then plus 3i squared. Then now you're gonna remove the minus there. You multiply everything with the minus. So it will be equal to I minus I squared minus 2 minus 5i minus 3i squared. Excuse me. Okay, now you're gonna add the like terms. This one and this one are the like terms, and then this one and that one are the like terms as well. Okay, so from here you'll have I minus 5, you'll have I minus 5, you'll have a minus 4i, then minus I squared, and this you'll have a minus 4i squared minus 4i squared minus 4i squared. So you'll have a 4 minus 4i squared, k minus 2. Now, remember, I told you earlier, told you that I squared is equals to minus 1. So where there's I squared, I'm going to put minus 1. So let I squared equals to minus 1. So this will be equals to minus 4i minus 4 into minus 1 minus 2. Then minus 4i plus 5 minus 2. So you see, these are the like terms. You add them. So this will be equals to minus 4i minus 4i. Then 5 minus this will get a plus 3. So you see, you can write it in a rectangular form. This is a rectangular form. So your final answer will be in a rectangular form. So you can write it as 3 minus 4i. Okay, if you do have any question, please let me know. Then please do join our online lessons every Wednesday at 7:30. I'll leave the link to join the meeting on the description below.